Hey flowers, it's Reese LaFleur and I am back with another video. What's up y'all? How y'all doing? What up? Okay, so this is going to be a mini haul, rainbow haul, because I went in rainbow because I just needed some retail therapy on my lunch break one day, and rainbow was having like an extra clearance, and I was like, hold up, let me just get me a few things. So it's really small. I'm gonna try on everything for you, but I'm gonna do this whole little different because I'm gonna show you the products and try them on, like, you know, do a little different this time. Okay, so before we get into all of the products, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Make sure you join that flower gang, sis. Gang. Alright, you guys, let's get right into the goodies. My goodies.
My goodies. My goodies. Not my goodies.
Okay, so here is the bag of stuff that we got. We got one full bag of rainbow stuff, so let's get into it. Okay, so something that I really don't have a lot of, and I felt like I needed for days when I want to just throw on clothes, is leggings. So I did get a few pair of leggings, and each pair of leggings were $3, y'all. Look, $3. Y'all see that sticker? $3, sis. Hold on, $3, sis. Tres. So I got these leggings, and they are black and yellow with a white stripe down the side. They have good stretch, as you can see. Like, look at that. They stretch really well. They are a little bit thin, but that's okay, because like you could wear them with your long johns or whatever like that and still be warm with the winter, or with some Uggs and stuff like that. So I really do like these. I like how they fit. I think they look great on, and yeah. Okay, so the next item is going to be another pair of leggings. These leggings I've actually already worn. These don't have as much stretch as the others. It's a little bit tighter, but I do like these because they have a fleece in them, if you can see that. So fleece material. So these are really warm. And one thing I do like about them is they have that, oh, I forgot the name of these, but these like go underneath the foot. Yeah. So I really like these. These don't fit that great, but like with a long shirt or something like that, it works just fine. As you can see, I mean, the stretch is there, but I just feel like those other ones stretch a little bit better. But as you can see, they don't look bad on the body. Alright, so the next pair of leggings are also very warm. These are long leggings. They're really thick, and they say flex on the leg. Hold on, let me get this right for y'all. They say flex on the leg. We flexing. Okay, so these are really cute. Like I said, I don't have no leggings, so I was like, fuck it, like, let me just buy some. I know it's not exciting or whatever, but I really don't have any leggings, like. And sometimes I'll be like, dang, I wish I had leggings. So I was like, now I have 3 pairs. Beautiful. So you see how they look on. They look pretty good. They fit pretty well. They come up really high on my waist, which is super good, especially if you got love handles like me. I love me something that comes all the way up because it kind of hides it a little bit without having to wear anything like a faja. You know. Okay, so I got one more pair of pants, and these are, I've already worn. I actually got some makeup on them, which I'm really sad about, but I don't know how to get makeup out of clothes. But these are some sweats or joggers that I got. I love the color. I got a lot of makeup on them. Oh my gosh, what happened? Like, seriously, what did I do? Roll around in foundation? So I can get it out though, but these are really comfortable. I didn't name the sizes of all of those, but all of the leggings are an extra large. And then this I got in a 3X because I feel like all of the other leggings, all of the other joggers that I've gotten from Rainbow sometimes fit a little snug, and I wanted these to be a little bit loose. But as you can see, they actually fit really well. They are a little bit big for me, but that's okay. Like, I think they fit pretty good. Like, you be the judge. You can get your real size. I usually wear a 1X, and I got a 3X. So I just went 2 sizes up, but I didn't want it. Like, I've gotten another pair of joggers from Rainbow, and I felt like they were not cut to size. I felt like they ran small. So I went with the 3X for these, and I was like, I'm glad I got these, because I kind of like the way they fit. Kind of like on my day when I don't really want to be too tight, or I don't want to be like snug where these feel like leggings. I wanted them to feel like sweats. So I like the way that they look. You don't have to, but I go. Item we're going to talk about is actually the top that I have on right now. As you can see, it has like a V-neck moment. There is a lot of fabric in here. This part is supposed to fold underneath and kind of give like this nice, like, kind of subtle V-neck. It's not too crazy. I don't feel like it shows too much cleavage, which I think is a great thing, because sometimes when I wear shirts like this, they kind of give me a lot more cleavage than I'm looking for or than I wanted, because like my boobs are going to spread out shirts. So I really like it. I love ribbed materials. If you don't know, you should know that by now, because I always wear ribbed stuff. So this is also ribbed. I just like it. It's just so cozy to me. It's long sleeve and it's a very stretchy top, as you can see. So yeah, it looks really, really good on me. I think it does good for my figure or whatever. So this top, definitely cute. Okay, and this is a 1X. Okay, so the next thing that I got these little biker shorts, right? And they're tie-dye. Hey, is that a bodysuit that's tie-dye? So it wasn't a set, but they were $3 a piece. Like, everything that I got so far, besides the gray sweats, were $3. Everything, three, 1, 2, 3. Trey, I said it earlier, but I don't think I made it clear. Everything that I got, besides one piece, was $3. The other thing was $5. Sis, what the fuck? Like, why would I not? So I saw this bodysuit and I was like, oh my gosh, I could wear this as a set. So it is a bodysuit that snaps. You know, it's very important that your bodysuit snaps, because sis, you don't want to get naked in the bathroom, your public bathroom, and you out and you can't. No, it's not cute. Okay, you be naked in the public bathroom because you can't unsnap it. So this is $3, and of course it's not time for me to wear this, but look, I got something to bring in the spring and the summer or whatever. I can wear this cute little fit with a nice little long duster, something a little warmer with some cute sneakers for the spring. And if I want to wear it for not the spring, for the summer, I just don't gotta wear the duster. So I think it's perfect. I matched it up. I just saw it. I was like, wait, these things match perfectly, but I promise you, it was not a set. So let me know how you think I matched these up. Let me know if I got it exactly identical. They look the same when I put them together. You can't even tell. So yeah, I love the way this looks on me. I love the fabric. It's nice and stretchy. As you can see, the top is very, very stretchy, which is good because, you know, you just want to give, you want your clothes to have a little bit of give when you're curvier. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so the next clothing item that I got, the next and last, I'm really excited about is this like windbreaker jacket. And I was thinking like, oh, I could wear this as a crop top or whatever like that. You know, it has a little drawstring where you could tighten it. And it has pockets. I'm like, it has a big like pocket here across, as you can see. And it has a hood. It's so adorable. Like, isn't this cute? I love this. So I was like, I need to grab this. And this is perfect for like when it gets cooler, or even now I can put this under a coat. Like this, literally, I love this. So what do you guys think? I think it fits really well. I love how it fits. So yeah, this is the last clothing item. Excited! I told you this was going to be kind of quick. So yeah. So I got one accessory item. This is a chain. I don't know, for some reason I just thought about wearing like some boots, some all black boots you know, with an all black one piece, kind of like a full one piece. That I love those. And then just wrapping this around the waist just to give it some accent. Or I can do any color. I got it in a 3X because I wanted to make sure that it gave some space, because like when you're shopping at cheaper places, like the cut don't be right. So I got it in a 3X just to make sure that I could have like that long tail if I wanted, and also that it would fit the way I wanted it to. So it actually fits a little bit big, but that's okay. Like it's okay. It's still really cute, as you can see, like with it on. This was not on sale. This was $4 or $5, but it wasn't on sale. But I'm like, $5, fine. I will say that I might spray paint it because I would like the gold to be a little bit more rich. Or I just might put some clear nail polish on it, which will help it last a little bit longer. Just a little bit of tip for you guys when you got this fake like jewelry kind of stuff. Just throw some little clear nail polish or something on top of it to kind of like seal in that color that they painted it. So the last item I got, which I'm really excited about, are these winter boots, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. Now these were on sale, but they weren't on sale for no $3. Like, that's OD. Could you imagine? I got these winter boots, and I couldn't believe that these were in rainbow. I went upstairs to the shoe section because they usually have like their $5 sandals. I like to get my sandals sometimes during the winter because they got the $5 sandals, and I totally got distracted. I can't even tell you if I saw any sandals because I saw these, and I was like, wait, what? So I have worn these already. They are pretty warm. I told y'all before, I have big feet, especially when I did my AliExpress sneaker haul where I got 5 sneakers for $100. If you have not seen that, I'll put that in the cards above. But I got these and I was like, dang, a size 10. They don't look big. I don't know why my feet are so big, because when I put stuff on, it doesn't look that big, but my feet are big. So these were, okay, they were originally $30 and I got them for $22. So it was a sale, I think, of 25% off or something like that. But I got them for $22 and they were $30. I was like, that's not bad. That's $20. Like, that wasn't bad at all. And these are so comfortable. They're so cute. I love them, and like I said, they're warm. You could put some socks, like some thick socks. I still have room in them. I honestly could have got a 9.5, but honestly, like in the wintertime, you're gonna put on those thicker socks. So it's like, why would I get a 9.5 when I need that room for my foot to like grow with the sock or whatever? Yeah. But I really love this. I love how the fur doesn't look cheap. It looks like real sheep wool. Like, these are like, I was shocked at how good of a quality these freaking boots were. Like, I'm raving about these because I'm like, yo, sis, these, I raved about these so bad, my mom and my sister went and got a pair. I just ended up being like, yo, I just got these from Rainbow. They was like, word. My mom and my sister got a pair the next day. Like, nah, I'm getting a pair. So we all got these same boots because that's how lit it is. Alright guys, that is the end of my haul. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was really quick and really small. Like I said, this was just a little bit of a retail therapy on my lunch break. Didn't have that much time to really go in. If you want to see when I go into Rainbow, I usually only hit the sales racks when I go into Rainbow. If that's something that you want to see, if you want to see me vlog when I'm doing that, because I kind of shop like that in that essence, like I'm thrifting, so I kind of look really hard, because you'll be surprised on how many gems you find, like that 2-piece set that I kind of put together that was not together, like it was totally on 2 opposite sides. So if you want to see me do that, or if you want to see more hauls like this where I'm only hitting the sales racks in places, it doesn't have to only be Rainbow, please go ahead and let me know down in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you. You know, this is always a baddie on a budget motivated haul. Always, we don't spend too much money because we don't got too much money, period. Broke bitch style, period. No, seriously. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to join the Flower Gang. Subscribe, thumbs up, comment down below, share this video, period. That's your only homework for today. Not homework, because it's not going to be like work, because you're going to enjoy it. Like, you're going to enjoy me. Okay, I'm leaving. Okay, bye. Thank you guys for watching.